For quite a long time Lagosians have complained about the problem of open manholes. These holes have caused many car accidents and deaths in Lagos. A jogger fell into one of those open holes on Alexander Avenue in Ikoyi last year. Luckily he was not seriously injured. We all remember the sad story of Adewura Bello, a young woman who was involved in a motorcycle accident on a flooded street and who was subsequently carried by floodwaters into an open manhole where she drowned. These manhole covers, along with bridge railings and electrical cables, are often stolen by criminals who sell them as scrap metals. Governor Babatunde Fashola considered using concrete manhole covers because the theft of these covers had gotten out of hand. The Lagos state government is currently replacing manhole covers across the state, and they replaced the missing manhole covers on Ikoyi Bridge yesterday. The question is, how will they ensure that these new covers are not stolen?